This is a 42-foot American coach tradition diesel motorhome with 3 slides listed at $98,995. I was not able to get any more specifics on this motorhome as there were not any spec sheets inside and it is not listed on the website. So I can only assume that it was probably sold or just came in. Don't really know. But let's go ahead and do a walk around on it. Of course, it's a diesel pusher. There is not a door, a passenger driver door to get into this rig with. Many Class A's and diesels are like that. There was a large slide. Showing you the awning topper. Walk around. The kitchen is also on the slide. That is a refrigerator vent we are passing. And the bedroom is on that slide as well. I'm not too sure what that is. I think that might be where the 50 amp cord goes. Here is a rear view of it. Backup camera, roof ladder, which is most necessary. And I was interrupted by a very loud vehicle going down the freeway. However, since my audio did not appear to work on the camera, it doesn't matter. So we'll go back to the RV now. Nice pleasing color combination on it. Since I don't really know anything about diesel motorhomes, I'm not too sure what that bay is all about, but anybody that is familiar with them will know. It's one of the slides. And here's another compartment. This is where the batteries are stored. I don't know if this rig is solar or not, because again, no specs on it. And of course, lots of basement storage. We're passing the 3rd slide now. And let's check out the entrance of this rig. There are actually 5 steps to get into this. The 2 exterior and then 4 more to step up onto. There is an unfortunate tear on the seat. The cockpit area. And of course the seats always turn around in those for extra seating, so that's nice. I don't know what was supposed to be in this corner. It has been taken out, probably a sofa. Lots of people like to conform it to their liking. Of course, there's the dinette table over there in the corner. So it may have had a sofa and they took it out for something else, whatever else it was. They have removed that item. Overhead cabinets. And then in this corner is a Jackknife Sofa which does not look like it is original to this RV. And it will fold up into a normal sofa as well. It's just jackknifed into bed mode right now. Ceramic tile throughout. There's the dinette area. Of course, as I pointed out, the overhead cabinets. Not overhead cab, just overhead cabinets. TV in front. Entertainment center there for your electronics, DVD players and such. And the control panel, leveling jacks and all the lovely stuff that comes along with these type of motorhomes. Take a little look around here. I'm probably explaining something about that. Whatever that was there was missing, like how people do other things in RVs. However, I'm not going to go into that on this video. And overhead lighting. What the ceiling looks like. Now we will enter the kitchen area, the galley. Large double sink. Stainless steel. And of course the stove, no oven, so the microwave would be a micro convection oven. And yes, there's panels over the stove top. Large mirror in the kitchen. A vent above the stove, which is always really kind of nice to have. Although the stove itself has a vent hood, it's always nice to have a ceiling vent there as well. Pantry area. I like that one. That is very handy. The shelves can be relocated according to what you put into them, onto them. Cabinet below. Oh, okay, that's a breaker panel there. Nice handy location for that. I don't know if that's no, that's not a residential fridge. Okay, that's pretty nice size refrigerator. That is a either a two-way or a three-way RV refrigerator, Norcold. Freezer on top. This nice large refrigerator inside. Nice cubic foot inside, and this side will have the ice maker on it of the freezer. So you do lose a lot of freezer space to those ice makers. It depends on how important frozen food is versus an ice maker. But plenty of storage for foods. This is like a pantry, closet, whatever you want it to be. Okay, yeah, I see there's more shelves there by my hand. I've ordered a light. I received them also, a light for future videos in these dark spaces that I could use. A lot of these RVs had too many dark spots where I could not catch specifics. Now we're entering the bedroom area. Lots of wardrobe storage. TV in the corner. Of course, all this is on one massive slide. The kitchen, the living room, and the bedroom. That is all on one massive slide. And another little entertainment area for DVD players and such. That's kind of nice having that window there. You could use that as a little desk area or a vanity area, depending on what your needs may be. Take a little look around here. Swing around to the bed. I believe that's a king-size bed. Ceiling fan above. Bet that has nice lighting on it too. And above the bed it says Our Love Nest. Very sweet, right? Oh yeah, I had to focus in on that. There was a little nest with 3 little eggs in it. Too cute. Too cute. And some lighting around the bed, which is always nice. And corner windows around the bed also, so you can get nice fresh air breezes if you choose to open up your windows. And a bed support to keep the mattress from sliding off, which is always a nice perk. And the rear bathroom with a window. Nice ventilation there. The louvered doors would be for your washer and dryer. This unit has a washer-dryer combo unit, which is rather handy. Cabinets above. Cabinet above the sink. Let's take a look at the sink. Adequate. Double medicine cabinet above. Lots and lots of mirrors. Beveled mirror at that, which is a nice touch. And now we're looking at the closet, which appears to be cedar lined, which is always pretty cool to have. And they left a bounty of reflectix in there for the buyers. That's always handy. Large mirrors in the bathroom. And in the corner here, we have the shower. And more cabinetry. I'm not too sure about what that really is there on the wall. Some kind of fixture. Good size walk-in shower. Not too terribly large, but still a decent size. And a little seating area in case you need to sit down for anything, or to prop your legs up if you're a woman, you don't want to shave your legs. Look at the ceiling view with a vent fan in the ceiling, which is necessary in a bathroom. You want to prevent that moisture. You want to vent it out. I have to do better at these. This one had a lot of mirrors on it, and I caught myself. That was a pocket door there, by the way, which is always a nice little addition. Heading back into the living quarters of this rig. Oh yes, and there is the half bath. We did not focus on that, so we'll focus on that now. And the half bath actually has better counter space on the sink area. And you know, if you're a couple, one could be a his, one could be a hers. You have company. This is a nice little company bathroom. Just really handy to have. It looks like another pocket door perhaps on that. Yep, little pocket door again. Those are handy. Entering back into the living area. My thoughts are, with the missing furniture in this particular unit, is that you could possibly make a better deal, get a little bit of a discount, maybe even a little bit more than a little bit of a discount, because RV furniture is expensive. And yeah, you'd probably be wanting to replace the weird blue couch too. Anyhow, thank you for watching. We will do our little exit on this tour, and I appreciate your views. I will get better with this in time. Of course, I will make sure my audio works better next time too, and I'll try not to capture myself in the mirrors as much because I didn't want to be caught that day. I didn't look my best. Anyhow, here's the little 360. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and live the life you love.